Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the overlay that blocks Play Store buttons. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special Access, and tap Appear on top. Once done, turn that permission off for chat apps, screen dimmers, and any recent installs. This prevents those apps from drawing over the Play Store UI. Make sure to keep One System UI app enabled. If Play Store still shows the message, move immediately to Closing Apps and the next troubleshooting steps to isolate the culprit. Next, you isolate the problem. Force stop Play Store and Google Play services, then clear cache and storage to remove corrupt state. This often fixes blocking flags. After that, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. If Play Store works there, a recent app is the offender. Back in normal mode, uninstall or disable recent installs one at a time and retest. Make sure to reboot between changes so overlays fully reset, and you can identify the specific app. To finish, re-enable only trusted app special permissions and confirm Play Store functions. If overlays persist, reset app preferences in settings to restore default permissions without losing data. As a deeper step, create a new user profile to check whether your account configuration caused the issue. If none of this works, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if Play Store still says another app is blocking, boot to safe mode and remove the most recent app you installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.